treasure now.
The price for a safari lasting about 3-4 hours is about $50, but you can bargain and get a discount. In addition to the safari, there are also other attractions, such as taking a trip on a cart pulled by oxen or a boat ride characteristic rowing on a lake, where you can enjoy the sound and the flavors of nature. You will be escorted to an ancient village and you will see how the Sinhalese lived so many years ago. Women will cook traditional Sinhalese food for you. All these little excursions have a price that varies between $10 and $30. E qui siamo proprio nel vivo della wildlife dello Sri Lanka. Have a nice day! Anti-zanzare fondamentale, non dimenticatevelo.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season.
know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know?